Bluehost is a web hosting provider known for being beginner-friendly, reliable, and easy to set up. It allows users to build websites quickly without technical experience, offering features like one-click WordPress installation, a free domain for the first year, SSL security, and responsive customer support. Bluehost is used by bloggers, small businesses, online portfolios, and people who want to launch a website with minimal effort. It is also one of the most widely recommended hosting services for WordPress users. Start with Bluehost today. Link provided below this video. Pricing: Bluehost shared hosting plans usually start at a low introductory rate when paid yearly or longer term. The basic plan often starts around $2.95 to $3.95 per month for the first term. Mid-tier plans like Choice Plus typically range between $5.95 and $7.45 per month when discounted for new users. After the first contract period, renewal rates are higher, starting around $9.99 monthly depending on the plan. Bluehost includes everything most users need to get started. You can install WordPress with a single click, secure your website with SSL, and manage email accounts and files from an intuitive control panel. New customers also get a free domain for the first year, which reduces the cost of launching a site even more. This makes it ideal for beginners who want to go live fast and avoid complex configurations. One of the main reasons people choose Bluehost is its pricing. With introductory plans starting at a low first-term rate and more advanced options available as your site grows, you can scale at your own pace. You do not pay for features you do not need, and when your project expands, you can upgrade easily. Bluehost offers stability and performance without requiring a large budget, which is why it is widely recommended for new website owners. If you are ready to create your website, you can start now through the following link provided below this video.